Hey there, welcome back to another episode of Eric's Boys. It's just me here today. I wanted to show you how your E30 doors can go from this to that. If that interests you, stay tuned. I'm going to show you how to do it right here with just some monster energy. So if you want to do this right, technically you're going to want to clay bar the whole entire area before you actually go and polish it. But if you're like me and you don't care, just go ahead and do it. Single stage paint, it can be very forgiving. You don't have to worry as much about going through the clear coat. Yes, you can still polish enough to where you get to the bare metal, but you want to make sure that you're doing it in shade. That helps a little bit. And basically what you're just going to do is you're going to get your polishing pad on a dual action polisher, Harbor Freight special. And they also sell this at Harbor Freight. It's Meguiar's M205. This is a good polish. You don't need too much. I already started on this panel a little bit. So start out with just a little bit like that. And you kind of want to dot it all around the panel. You don't want to do too big of a section. Something like this. Put it on the lowest setting here. Kind of massage it in. I forgot to mention, for the whole entire panel, you're going to want to make sure it's completely clean first. I just used an instant detailer. You can use Dawn dish soap if you really wanted to. You want to get as much dirt and grime off the surface as possible. That's why clay barring really does help. Once you get it all massaged in like this, you're going to want to turn it up to a higher setting. You're going to want to do crisscross pattern the best you can. Once you're done polishing, you just want to spray on microfiber and wipe the area clean. Look at that. What a difference there. Now, if there are some areas where you can't get super close with the dual action polisher, this is what you can do. You can get your microfiber, the same one that you wiped it down with, or another one. And then if you put just a little bit of pre-cum, just a little bit of pre-cum on there, and you put it on your finger like this, like you do with pre-cum, there you go. And you just kind of rub it in there. Like pretend the keyhole is the clit. You just fucking go after it. Feels like I'm trying to get John's mom off. Spray it with a little bit of detailer. And look, we're not after perfection, but that is a bit better. I'll call that good. So yeah, it's really not rocket science. Even if you're moderately mentally challenged, I think you can figure it out. Things to note if you want to do the full car would be, you're going to probably go through about 3 or 4 of these. With a single stage paint, you can see how it turns red. This was yellow, it's turned red now. You're going to go through probably about 3 or 4 of these. Once they get super hard, you're going to want to replace them. This is plenty polished to go through the whole entire thing. If you want to go like above and beyond, I'd definitely do a clay bar the whole thing first, decontaminate it, get it like down to the bare paint. And then I would even go and get like a compound with a different type of pad, and then move over to polishing. If you have some like deeper scratches in the paint, then I would go ahead and do that for sure. But the cars that I've done it on, they've been in fair enough shape where I can just get away with polishing it, and the difference is insane. I mean, it's a night and day, especially right after you polish it. You can see the difference. It's crazy. The only other main thing I'd mention is as far as trim, you're really going to want to tape it off. You can get away with not, but for it to look good and to not have any of the paint like rub off on this, I would definitely tape everything off. All the trim, the glass I would tape off, just to do a proper job. But yeah, everybody, thanks for watching. This door here is going to go on that car. I'm going to finish doing this car at some point here soon. I did like the hood, but now it's just covered in pollen. It's the worst time of year. And I'm gonna get the door on this car because this had an incorrect color door. Right now it's just a rally car, but it's gonna look a lot better. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more sporadic videos here and there. You never know, might get 2 in a week, you might get 2 in a year. So make sure to subscribe to Eric's Boys. Thanks.